Hey, it's time for another
Everyday Getaway.
And it's Tuesday, so we're back in the kitchen.
And today we're making some easy air fryer donuts.
That's right.
They're easy, they're customizable, and if you are a donut connoisseur as we are, they're yummy, but because they're in the air fryer, they don't have a lot of grease or, cuts down on the calories a bit. So come on along and we will give it a try together. All right, for these donuts, it may look like there's a lot of ingredients. Really, you need a can of flaky biscuits. You need your air fryer. We normally use Grands, but our store didn't have Grands this time, so we just got the store brand. You need some butter, and you need something to cut the center out because we're gonna make like a ring donut. All of this here is just extra for toppings, so whatever toppings you want. Today we're gonna do some cinnamon sugar, powdered sugar, maybe a little chocolate drizzle, but you can add any toppings you want, or you can just have them plain.
Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take our biscuits out of the can here. And I'm going to take this small biscuit maker and I'm just going to cut the center out of these. And we're going to use both of them. So we're going to make the ring donuts and we're going to make like the donut holes.
So if you have some toddlers, maybe they can have the small ones, or if you like me, you can try the small ones, and that way you can have a couple of different toppings. You can try a couple of different ones. So out of that can, we'll get 8 of the ring donuts and 8 centers. So even if you're having folks for the holidays, you can maybe have a little donut bar, nice, easy, inexpensive breakfast, or for a quick, easy breakfast any day, or if you just got a sweet tooth. Here we go. All right, so we're using our air fryer today. It takes out the grease element, which we much prefer. And inside of the air fryer, just gonna give them a little space, but we're gonna kind of layer these around the outside. It'll take us a couple of turns to get them all done, and we're going to cook them. I think we're going to shoot for like 380. It takes 5 or 6 minutes, but we will flip them halfway through.
Okay, so I'm going to mix a little sugar and cinnamon together. We will roll them in when they get done.
This is just one of our topping choices. We like cinnamon and sugar, and we like lots of cinnamon, so we'll get this mixed in here and we'll see how it looks. Make sure it's cinnamony and sugary, and we'll be ready to give them a little butter bath and then dunk them in cinnamon and sugar or in some powdered sugar as soon as they come out. It took a little bit less than 2 minutes to get them finished up, so they're nice and done. We're going to give them a dunk in some melted butter and then either cinnamon sugar or powdered sugar, and then I've got the next batch in the air fryer, including some of the littles. All right, we're going to give them a nice dunk in the melted butter and then either cinnamon sugar or powdered sugar. And we have made these lots of times. They're easy, they're quick, and they are good. So as much cinnamon and sugar as you want, but you want to make sure that you get both sides. And we're going to do about half in cinnamon sugar, about half in the powdered sugar, and then we'll do some chocolate drizzle on the small. So I'll get these done, and then after the cinnamon and sugar ones, we'll be back to try some powdered sugar ones. All right, we're giving the powdered sugar ones a dunk, and we're going to do the same thing, coat them nice and well. You can coat all the way around. They're a little bit easier to roll than the cinnamon and sugar ones and the powdered sugar. And just got a couple more to finish up. We'll get these finished up and then we will give them a try. But hey, donut connoisseurs, unite. Whoops. These are easy, yummy, fast, And with, you know, one can make a lot, so it can serve a lot.
Hey, if you know somebody that likes a quick, easy recipe, please share this. And if you haven't already, please take a couple of seconds and subscribe. Help out the channel.
All right, for the little guys, I'm gonna give a little dunk of butter, not a lot on these because I'm gonna put some chocolate syrup on them. And we're just gonna drizzle the chocolate syrup over the top and then add maybe some sprinkles. You can do that to the powdered sugar ones also if you'd like. This might be cleaner if I put it like on a fork or something, but I'm just going to do a quick drizzle of the chocolate. That looks like a plenty. And since it is Thanksgiving, maybe we'll throw on a couple of sprinkles here for fun. All right, decisions. What do I do? I'll be honest, Doug doesn't really like chocolate. If you've watched our videos, you know that. So I'm gonna hit up one of the chocolate ones because I do, and they're so cute. Buttery, light and fluffy on the inside, got a little bit of a crust on the outside. The chocolate is yummy. You can do with or without the sprinkles, depending on if you like those, but we just thought that was fall and pretty. I really like them, and they're nice, quick, easy bite, but I can't wait to dig into one of those cinnamon sugar ones also.
Hey, so those were really good, and they're easy. It didn't take us long at all.
What's your favorite one?
Probably the cinnamon sugar.
Yeah, I thought that would be it. Hey, by the way, this is Doug and I'm Tammy. If you're new to our channel, we just want to make sure that you know that you are always welcome here, and we appreciate your support. It's been good being with you today. Nice, easy recipe for the holidays or for just any days. So take care of yourselves, take care of others, and we will see you soon.
Bye-bye. Join us next time as we make some Christmas favorites.